My pores are huge. My nail bits suck. I have man shoulders. I have really bad breath in the morning. Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, hi, welcome. Thank you so much for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave to stay updated for future videos. Today's video, I am super excited. We are unboxing the Fortune Cookie Soap Easter box. This box is different than the monthly subscription. It is actually one of their quarterly launches that they'll do. This is the Easter one. Not sure when the other 3 quarterly ones will launch, which I still have not received April's yet. Wonder where that is. USPS needs to get their life together because I need my monthly dose of self-care. I think the Easter box was $50. It's pretty heavy. I am so excited because this is what the inside looks like, and I know I can't tell what any products are, but by the card that says One Sky, One Destiny, that is a Kingdom Hearts reference. Oh my gosh, I am totally geeking out over that. I love Kingdom Hearts. It was one of my favorite video games growing up, and can you believe that when I met Griffin, he was like, what's Kingdom Hearts? Are you, what? What's Kingdom Hearts? What do you mean, what's Kingdom Hearts? Kingdom Hearts is life, man. I'm just having major childhood flashbacks right now. I have Kingdom Hearts 3 for PS4, and I've played maybe 2 hours of it, and I did not get far because I am still in Olympus. I haven't touched it since it released. Am I that good of a diehard fan? Nintendo Switch just be taking over my life. Let's unbox. Ooh, yes. We definitely got some colorful products up in here. Now I get a straw. A reusable straw. That's so good. Save the turtles, Catherine. Get your own reusable straw. I like to poke fun at Catherine because she'll get plastic straws, and I'm like, bitch, why do you keep killing the turtles? What do the turtles do to you? They're so cute. The first product is the Easter egg bar soap. This is so cute with the Kingdom Hearts logo on it. I think I've said this in the past few videos. I received bar soap from Fortune Cookie Soap that I still have not tried it yet, but some of you guys have commented below and said that they are really good. I'm super pumped. I'm finishing up a bar soap right now that I got from TJ Maxx. It's pretty scratchy actually, like it's sharp. I'm like lathering up and I'm like, why am I cutting myself on this soap? Like I had scratches on my arm, and Griffin's like, why are you trying to use it up? I'm like, because I don't want it to go to waste. He's like, but you have scratches, and I'm like, I know, but I don't want it to go to waste. I have like this weird irrational guilt of wasting products, whether it's skincare, makeup, food, even purging out clothes. Like it's such a bad habit. It leads to hoarding. I call it collecting. This is almost too cute to use. I just love the logo on it. Maybe if this was like in the fortune cookie setting like I got for the Alice in Wonderland, then I would keep it. This makes me just want to throw that ratchet soap away and just start lathering up in this. I hope this is very hydrating. I've noticed a lot of bar soaps are very drying for me. My all-time favorite bar soap is actually Lush's Outback, and I haven't found anything that can outbeat it. Maybe this will be the soap, but if you've tried Fortune Cookie Soap's bar soaps, let me know what your experience was. Are they hydrating? Do they lather up nice? At least I think they will smell good because all their products smell fantastic, like almost too good that you want to eat. The next item, we have the Destiny Islands body wash. Really love Fortune Cookie Soap body washes. They are super hydrating. There are some body washes that are in gel form that when I'm lathering up and I get out of the shower, I look ashy and I'm like, why am I dry? It shouldn't be like that. For me, in my experience, has been a lot of drugstore body washes have filler products in it, which has been causing dryness. And then you try the more high-end shower gels and they are boggled down in fragrance, which irritates my skin, and I'm like, I can't win. Can I just get like a happy hybrid in-between balance? Luckily, that's what the Fortune Cookie Soap body washes have been for me. They have that nice fragrance, which isn't overbearing, and it's hydrating. I am super silky when I get out of the shower after using their body washes. I'm almost almost like slipping out of my shower. So I have put bath mats all over the place so I don't concuss myself getting out of the shower because I am clumsy like that. I walk into walls, I trip over air, your girl will slip out of the shower, and that would not be pretty. Really excited to have another body wash by them. I go through them rather quickly, and I recently just ran out of some. I think it was from the DC Comics. We got a little body wash and I ran out of that. I was super sad. I'm using my Wreck-It Ralph one right now. My Mary Poppins one is sitting in my shower, and I'm using that very lightly because it is a body wash slash you can use it taking a bath as well because it's super bubbly and lathering. If the experience is as good as using it in the shower, probably guarantee that the bath will be just as good. I normally just use a bath bomb, but I really want to renovate my bathtub because the struggle be real when your whole body is kind of like not fully underneath the water, and I want jets. That's gonna be like down the line. Unfortunately, I love baths. Nothing like just sitting in the bathtub and just relaxing. Watching Netflix, reading a book with a glass of champagne, whiskey, tequila, whatever your drink may be. I was like, wait, did we just get a straw? There's a cup. I didn't even know Fortune Cookie Soap had cups. And this is what the cup looks like. Super cute. I love using reusable cups. This is gonna sound like so diva. I've gotten to the point where I just pour my cans of seltzer water, or if I am drinking a soda, into a reusable cup. I don't know, it tastes better out of a reusable cup than an actual can, you know what I'm saying? That's just me. Let me know if you do that, or am I just being like wasteful, or am I just putting more dishes upon my husband? The next item we have the Princess of Heart Crystal Perfume Oil. Oh, Princesses, my bad. Princesses of Heart Crystal Perfume Oil. I like putting these on my wrists. Actually, my watch is there. Ooh, that's very, don't tell me. It smells like petals, like rose petals. That's what I'm going for. I was like, I can almost taste it. I just love applying some onto my wrists and going about my day. Sometimes perfumes or mists can be very overwhelming to me, and I can get a headache that will last all day and won't go away. As a good alternate, I'll just use these perfume oil. I've received so many for Fortune Cookie Soap. I keep them in my bathroom, my purse, my office, wherever I might be. They are so travel friendly. The scent will last all day. I can wash my hands, I can get sweaty, whatever I might be doing throughout my day, and the scent will still be on. I can't even really smell it now that it's been on my hand and my hand's away, but if I do bring it up to sniff, I do smell the scent. It's a good balance. Like, it's not overwhelming, but it's there. So if you're super sensitive to fragrances, but you like to have like a perfume or a mist, definitely check out their roller backs because they have been life-changing for me because I'm so headache prone. The weather can change, a fragrance can trigger me. I can just be chilling and a headache is like, hello, how you doing? Next we have the Source of All Hearts lip mask. I haven't tried a lip mask yet. I feel like I'm probably one of the only ones that haven't because I always hear people raving about the Laneige lip masks, and I'm like, I need to try one, and I have dry lips that like to flake and get chapped, and why? I'm super pumped to give this a whirl. I might try it tonight actually. I've been really good about my chapstick, so I don't know why my lips are betraying me. If you have used a lip mask, how did it work out for you? What's your favorite one? I don't really know much about the Fortune Cookie Soap ones. I didn't even know they had a lip mask. Ooh, my hair is a mess. So I'm really excited to try it out and see if it does any wonders for my lips. Because you know I love to do swatch videos and my lips hate me for it. I'm paying the price. Next we have the Light Bubble Scoop. Bubble Scoops are very similar to a Lush Bubble Bar. I think you would be able to get a couple uses out of this. I tend to go overboard and I would probably dunk the whole thing in, and that's how I flood my bathroom. I just love a good bath. I love having lots of bubbles, lathered up. I just want like my face peeking out from a bath. I think I've only used a bubble scoop once and it lathered up really nice. I normally just use bath bombs. I don't know, just one and done. Maybe it's just because I don't want to hold this under the running hot water burning my hand, but watching the beautiful bubbles lather up. I'm excited. I'm still gonna try this. I don't know what happens if you just dunk it in without doing it. Maybe it doesn't lather up that well. What do you guys think? Have you tried that before with a bubble bar or a bubble scoop? With my luck, it will be super slippery and then I bust my butt getting into that tub and concussed. I feel like a lot of accidents happen in your bathroom without even trying. Next we have the Heartless Wax Tart. I really love the Fortune Cookie Soap Wax Tarts. They smell so good. My whole house smells like the fragrance when I put it in a warm wax melter. I haven't received one in a while in a subscription, so I have really been bad using my wax melts. This will be good to kick them back up. Not much to say about that, except for they smell good. Next we have the Unlocked Leave-In Conditioner. I have Griffin hooked on leave-in conditioners recently, and he's been taking like all of my Fortune Cookie Soap leave-in conditioners. He really likes how they feel in his hair. They really soften his hair. He already has soft hair, but it's like even softer. I didn't know hair could get that soft because I have a lot of hair and it's dry and coarse, and I'm like, why can't my hair feel like yours? And like, why were guys blessed with really nice hair? I mean, like, I love how thick my hair is because maybe I won't go bald anytime soon, but it's dry and it sheds and it takes forever to straighten. I know that's like first world problems, but you see, Griffin can put no product in his hair and be completely fine. And I'm like, what is the sorcery? You can give him crappy shampoo and no conditioner and it's fine. Huh? You put crappy shampoo in my hair and it makes things worse. I just had to just get that off my chest that guys have nice hair and the best eyelashes too. I could put coats and coats and coats and coats of mascara on my eyelashes and they still won't be as volumized or lengthened as Griffin's. It's so not fair. It's so not fair. Let me know if your guy has nice hair and lashes, because what did they do to deserve them that we females are struggling to achieve? Whew, I got a little carried away there. So I have used a couple of the leave-in conditioners in the past before Griffin started taking them, but I love using them after I get out of the shower, spritz some in, brush out my hair, and the next morning my hair is soft. It's not as soft as his, but for my hair, it is soft. Especially like when I go to straighten it, it's like super soft without that greasy feeling, because sometimes when I straighten my hair it gets greasy and I'm like, that is like the one thing that greases up my hair. You don't have to wash it for a whole week and it's probably not that greasy, but the second you put a straightener to it, grease. The next product is the Traverse Town Aloe Me Whipped Cream. Another fan favorite of Griffin's. I actually have not tried these before because I don't always need aloe. Rarely will I burn. Like, I'll get maybe like a little pink just because I don't reapply. Griffin is very fair skinned. He can get a sunburn just from getting out of his car and walking to the front door. That's how sensitive he be. I've actually been giving him these when I receive them in Fortune Cookie Soap because he's gonna get a lot more use out of them than me. It has aloe, but also some lotion in it, so you are relieving your sunburn, but also moisturizing. He has found that these have been super, super helpful without just aloe alone. He loves that combination and he loves how it comes in a 2-in-1 instead of having to buy 2 separate products. Next we have the Gummy Ship Jelly Soap. It's like flubber. Oh, that's so weird. I have used jelly soap maybe once. It was such a different concept because they say like break some off, rub it in your loofah and then lather up, or use it like a bar soap, and I just didn't like it. This is like the second or third one I received from Fortune Cookie Soap and I'm like, maybe I just need to use it, get it over with. Maybe I'll just give it to Griffin and he'll enjoy it. That's what I tend to do. If there's something I don't want, I just give it to him to try. But then he takes my products for me and I'm like, did I give that to you? Cause you can have this, not this. If you've used jelly soap before, how is your experience? Any tips and tricks how to use it? Because this stuff scares me. Do you hear that? Like, that concerns me. The next product we have is the Hollow Bastion Aromatherapy Shower Mist. Oh my gosh, I sound like such an asshole wife because this is something I would just wait for him to walk into like the bathroom and just start spraying him with it. Just because he always smells when he gets home. I know he can't help it, but have not used any of these before, at least in the shower. Anytime I've received a shower aromatherapy mist, I just spray it in my room. I don't know if it needs water to be activated with, but it still smells fine, like a room spray. I actually should try it in the shower and see. But if your man stinks, instead of using Febreze, just when they come walking in. Pro tip. I feel like I'm really picking on him during this video and he's not even in here to defend himself. He is downstairs watching hockey. He was like, you wanna watch the game with me? And I'm like, no, my team lost. I hope your team loses too. And I don't think I've ever seen him so sad in my life before. If you have used these, let me know how your experience was. Did you actually use them in the shower? Did you test them in the shower and out of the shower? What's the difference? Does it need H2O? And if it does, I've been using it wrong for a while now. Oh my gosh, the last product. Okay, I was like, why are they sending me this jar? This is the end of the world body polish. I love how it's in a reusable jar. Oh wow, it's full too. Okay, I'm gonna slightly, yeah. It actually looks like chunks of cookie dough, but I love their body polish so much. It's a good exfoliator, especially in the winter when your skin's really dry and you just gotta get those dead cells off to renew and turn over. Nothing like a good exfoliator. I have used a bunch of their exfoliators in the past. The walnut scrub and the body polish are some of my all-time favorite scrubs. So good, so affordable. You could make your own, but why not and get a jar like this? I really like how this is in a jar than the bag it normally comes in. I don't always want paper, and I like this reusable idea that we're going with. We got the reusable cup, jar. I don't know where else I was going with that. Body wash, you can get multiple uses out of it. Okay, I lost my streak on that. Overall, I am super pleased with this Easter box. I think my favorite products from this box are the body scrub and the body wash, just because those are some of my absolute favorite products, because they are products that I've received multiple times and I use them all the way through in a blink of an eye. So when I get another one, I'm gonna put that to use right away, and then by the time I run out, I'll get a new one. So it works out. The only product I'm kind of like on the fence about is this jelly soap. It just shows that I just need to be a little bit more adventurous, try it out, see how it works, or if I don't like it, just give it to Griffin because he will use it. I have given him so many other leave-in conditioners to use, but he wants this one, and I'm like, well, what's wrong with that free one that I got in a gift with purchase from Ulta? He's like, but it doesn't smell as good, doesn't make my hair as soft, and I'm just like, you actually pay attention how soft your hair is? I'm impressed. I mean, he also uses Murad facial cleanser, so I'm like, okay, got a little routine going on. You understand good products. That's my boy. If you got this box, what was your favorite product, or what is your favorite Fortune Cookie Soap product of all time? I think my favorite product of all time is the walnut scrub. I just can't get enough of it. It's more hydrating than this body polish. I'm in need of a walnut scrub. Fortune Cookie Soap. Next monthly box, put a walnut scrub in it, please. I know we got one at like the first one, but next month is May. We're gonna need another. I'm already out of it. Can you believe that? I know I can. I got this jar though to keep me company. I just want to lather up in some body scrub. I will. This concludes today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Give this video a thumbs up if you like Fortune Cookie Soap or Kingdom Hearts. Leave me a comment below what your favorite bath and body brand is. Let me know what your favorite Fortune Cookie Soap product of all time is. What was your favorite product from this box? Did you get this box? Do you get the monthly subscription? Love to know your thoughts on how your experience with Fortune Cookie Soap has been. Would love to know your thoughts, how it compares to Lush. I'm a huge Lush fanatic too. Also, let me know in the comments below what your favorite self-care activity is. Is it taking a bath, just doing nothing, going to the gym, whatever it may be. My favorite thing to do is taking a bath with a margarita in my hand and binge watching a show. So if you're ever wondering what I'm doing in my free time, if I have free time, that is what I'm doing. Please make sure you're subscribed before you leave, and I'll see you in the next video.